Hey Jeep lovers! Welcome back to Adventure Jeep, the channel where we dig deep into the best upgrades and accessories for your Wrangler. In today's video, we're exploring the top 5 best spark plugs for Jeep Wrangler JK, because your Jeep deserves that perfect spark for maximum power and performance. Whether you're looking for better fuel efficiency, smoother idling, or that extra kick on rough trails, we've got you covered. So stick around till the end, we'll reveal which spark plug gives the best bang for your buck. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our latest Jeep upgrade reviews. Number 5. NGK Laser Iridium Spark Plugs. For Jeep Wrangler JK owners seeking premium ignition performance, the NGK Laser Iridium Spark Plugs are among the top-tier choices. Designed for 3.6L V6 engines, 2012 to 2017, these plugs deliver consistent, powerful sparks that enhance both combustion efficiency and engine responsiveness. The combination of a laser-welded iridium center electrode and a platinum ground electrode ensures exceptional durability and minimal wear. Users consistently praise these plugs for improving fuel economy and throttle response, especially noticeable in highway driving in heavy load conditions. They also help reduce emissions and ensure quicker starts in cold weather. Although priced higher than standard copper or V-Power plugs, the longer lifespan and smoother performance justify the investment. Perfect for Jeep enthusiasts who value reliability and top performance, these plugs require little maintenance and deliver OEM-level precision with noticeable real-world benefits. Number 4. BDFHYK Iridium Spark Plugs. If you own a 2012 to 2017 Jeep Wrangler JK 3.6L, the BDFHYK Iridium Spark Plugs offer an impressive combination of high performance, reliability, and longevity. These plugs are engineered for precise ignition timing and optimal fuel combustion, something every off-road enthusiast appreciates when driving in challenging conditions. Made with fine iridium electrodes, they provide stronger sparks and more stable combustion, improving both engine startup and fuel efficiency. Users frequently report quieter idling, better acceleration, and fewer engine misfires. The plugs also resist corrosion and wear, allowing them to maintain consistent performance over extended mileage. Installation is straightforward, but like all iridium plugs, it's best to use a torque wrench to avoid thread damage. For Jeep drivers who demand durability and power, these are an excellent OEM quality replacement choice. Number 3. NGK V-Power Spark Plugs. The NGK V-Power Spark Plugs are one of the most trusted options for the Jeep Wrangler JK 3.8L V6, 2007 to 2011, especially if you're looking for OEM-level reliability with a slight performance edge. Known for their V-groove design, these plugs promote efficient combustion by directing the spark to the air-fuel mixture center, resulting in better fuel burn and improved throttle response. Owners report smoother engine idling and a noticeable boost in acceleration after installation. The copper core provides excellent heat conductivity, which helps prevent misfires even during long off-road trips or when towing. These spark plugs are easy to install and ideal for Jeep owners who prefer a balance of affordability and quality. While they may not last as long as iridium plugs, their low cost and consistent performance make them a favorite for quick tune-ups and periodic replacements. Number 2. Iridium Platinum Spark Plugs. For Jeep Wrangler JK owners who prioritize long-term durability and steady performance, the premium Iridium Platinum Spark Plugs are an exceptional upgrade. These plugs combine iridium and platinum, two of the most durable electrode materials available, ensuring consistent firing, improved combustion, and reduced fuel waste. They fit perfectly in Jeep Wrangler 3.6L engines and several Dodge and Chrysler models, making them a versatile option for multi-vehicle households. Many users highlight smoother acceleration and cleaner idling after switching from standard copper plugs. The corrosion-resistant design extends service life, meaning you can drive thousands of miles without worrying about replacements. Perfect for both daily drivers and off-road adventurers, these plugs maintain optimal engine efficiency even under tough weather conditions or heavy towing loads. Number 1. Ignition Coil Pack and Iridium Spark Plugs. If you're looking for a complete upgrade package to boost your Jeep Wrangler JK's ignition performance, the premium ignition coil pack with Iridium spark plugs is an outstanding choice. Designed specifically for the 3.6L V6 engine, 2012 to 2017, this kit provides a noticeable improvement in throttle response, fuel economy, and engine smoothness. Each Iridium spark plug delivers consistent firing and longer lifespan compared to standard plugs, while the coil pack ensures strong voltage output even under off-road conditions. Many Jeep owners mention reduced misfires and smoother cold starts after installation. It's also easy to install. The plug-and-play design saves time for DIY enthusiasts. This combo is ideal for drivers who often push their Wrangler through demanding terrains or long trips and want reliable ignition performance with minimal maintenance. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and share it with your fellow Jeep owners. Tell us in the comments which spark plug you're running in your Wrangler JK. We'd love to hear your experience. For more Jeep part reviews, mods, and adventure gear recommendations, subscribe to Adventure Jeep and check out our playlists for lift kits, cold air intakes, and off-road essentials. Until next time, keep your engine roaring, tires spinning, and your spirit adventurous. This is Adventure Jeep, signing off.